house isn't just your house, it's your castle, and it could be under attack. Did you know that in the United States alone, termites cost homeowners an estimated $5 billion in property damage every year? Let's see what makes these invaders so formidable and how to stop them. Subterranean termites are social creatures living in a highly organized caste system in an underground colony. Each termite has a specific role and they depend upon one another for survival. The queen can lay millions of eggs over her lifetime. The king exists to reproduce with the queen. The soldier's job is to protect the colony from invaders, like ants. Reproductives, or swarmers, are the termites with wings. When they're ready, they emerge from the colony to begin new colonies. A colony can number from thousands of termites to millions, and it's common to find 2 or more colonies competing for food around your property. The workers are responsible for feeding the colony, which they do by regurgitation. Oh, that's disgusting. As the other termites can't feed themselves. Workers forage for food 24/7 by building tunnels and mud tubes from the colony to the food they find. Once they discover food, they mark it and their path to it with a pheromone. That's a chemical they produce to communicate with each other. Termites can enter your home through an opening as small as 1/32 of an inch. If there's a settlement crack, loose mortar joint, a small space around a drain pipe, or a crack in your foundation, they're in, and the damage begins. The Sentricon system, with always active technology, contains Recruit HD termite bait, which begins working the moment it's put in the ground. Termites can travel the length of a football field to find food. Just like a tree expands its branches to absorb more sunlight, termites add additional tunnels off the main tunnel to maximize the colony's chance of finding food. So naturally, they'll find and begin feeding on the Sentricon bait stations. They can't help it, it's in their DNA. Their biology is why the bait, the system, the science works. Research showed that termites preferred this unique bait over wood. Once ingested, the patented active ingredient novaflumaron prevents the workers from molting. When they can't molt, they die, and dead termites can't feed their colony, so the colony dies. Because termites can't detect novaflumaron, they continue feeding on the bait and deliver a lethal dose to the colony until it's gone. A certified Sentricon specialist will strategically place Sentricon stations about 10 feet apart, around the perimeter of your home and in areas conducive to termite attack. Your certified Sentricon specialist will check the stations and replace the bait when necessary, making sure it's always working to prevent further attacks on your home. So every time you see those green stations, take comfort in knowing your home, your castle, is being protected 24/7, 365 by the product homeowners prefer over any other brand. That's the science and power of the Sentricon system. Death to the termite queen. Death to her colony. For good.